Hello, today what I'm going to teach you is about the basics of law of attraction. If you do not know this, your life will be ruined. And even if you practice law of attraction, affirmation, ABCD, water thing, nothing will work out. Why? Because we are here. If you don't know this, you don't know anything. A lot of law of attraction coaches I have a feeling that they do not know this either. Okay. Now, I am not talking to them on a personal day to day basis. So I don't know whether they are doing this or not. But the way they talk on their videos is always where they are bargaining. What? Wait a second. Sorry. Bargain. I just read that by default. My brain picked up on that. So where they are bragging. Okay, they are bragging about, hey, I have this, I have that, I did this with the law of attraction. Okay, so all those people are only into show off. Okay, only into show off. But there are some very few people who are not into show off, but who are into um, knowledge, giving you knowledge. Okay, they are teaching you the truth of the law of attraction and all that stuff. So there are very few law of attraction coaches that I have seen who comes into the knowledge category. And then the other kinds of law of attraction, there are three kinds of law of attraction. One is always someone who is showing, okay, that they are rich, they are this, they are that, everything they have because of law of attraction. They don't have anything. The second kind, I'll put a mystery to it. The third kind is the kind of a person who just fucking gives you the knowledge. Now you can take it, and then there are some people who come up to you, and then who is knowledge oriented. Like I'm into the knowledge category. Okay, if I'm giving the knowledge, some stupid people will come out and then they will say, "Hey, what do you have? What have you manifested? Fuck off. Don't want to do this. Don't do this. I'm just into knowledge. I'm not into bargaining. Bargaining is the energy of a low vibrational person. If you don't know about vibrational chart, get out. This is not the video for you. But it's a very low vibe thing. It's a low frequency vibration kind of a feeling where you are wanting to bargain about something. And if it is scientifically proven, and it is also seen in real life, that those people who, sorry, not bargain. Why am I saying bargain? Those people who brag about something, no, they don't have anything. The the bar, okay, when you're going on a bar, and if you're a lady and there is a man who's coming up to you and saying that, you know what, how much I make 5 lakhs rupees, I make 1 crore rupees. Okay, chunnu barka money they make nothing. Either it would be their father's money or they have zero money in their bank account. Okay, they are just trying to say that they have something but they don't have anything. And when they don't have anything, when they are in the place of lack, that's when they are always bragging about something. Bragging is something that comes from the place of lack. Law of attraction is something that comes from the place of abundance. If you don't know this, I don't know why you're here. Again, this is not the video for stupid people. I'll just say that. The second kind of a law of attraction people, you know what they do? They they know that these kind of a law of attraction coaches who always brags, no, they get 1 lakh, 1 crore views, okay, on the internet. So what the second kind of law of attraction coaches do? They are like, okay, you know what, I should also brag, no, I should also give a little bit of the proof, no, I should do that. No, that's how they will know that law of attraction works. The truth is, the knowledge oriented kind of a person have come to realize that nothing is like that. You don't have to bargain. If you want to bargain, you bargain. If you don't want to, you don't. Okay, bargaining in itself is a very low vibrational energy. So if anybody is bargain, wow, why I'm saying bargaining all the time? It's not even bargaining, it's bragging. Ayyo, my head is gone, completely gone. It's a waste, and it's not even because of some beer or something. I just completely wasted. Okay, anyway. So when someone is bragging about something, that is not the truth. Okay, that's it. That's all I'd say. So now, what I have written here is the 5 stages of grief. Okay, you know why? You know what is 5 stages of grief? Once the truth of reality of life hits you, okay, that's the first point. Reality of life hits you. Then what happens? You first go into denial. You're like, no, 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 this is not the truth. Um, Something else is the truth. Like you went into poverty. You don't have enough money. Okay, so you first go into denial. Every person goes into these stages. Some person takes the stages in 5 years. Some people complete all the stages in 5 years. Some people takes 5 months, and some people 5 minutes. Okay, so it is just a matter of time. Okay, at first we'll be in denial, and then we will be angry. Oh my God, why don't I have money? Why, God, why are you doing this? Okay, and then we come into bargaining stage. Okay, if I don't have money, at least I should have something else. At least I should have had a relationship where I can rely on, right? And then if the bargaining doesn't work, then we get into depression. We are like, ayo, I am a poor person. I am such a sad person. I don't have any money and all that. And after you come into the depression, you come into the acceptance. Okay. There is a wonderful video a person made. The brother's name was, there is a brother on YouTube. It's an English brother only. I forgot the name, brother. But he has, there are two brothers. I forgot the channel, but it is about the 5 stages of grief in terms of Avengers. How this Thor is into the depression or denial, something like that. They have shown how the, what is the guy, Iron Man. Iron Man is actually in the stage of acceptance. Okay, so I don't remember the name, bro, but he talks about that. Anyway, we don't need to know that. We don't need to learn that. Now, why am I saying 5 stages of the grief? And what is its importance in terms of law of attraction? Now, a lot of law of attraction coaches, especially the first category I told you, the person who like to brag, they are always in the denial stage. Always in the denial stage only. They don't know, they don't care. They are just completely like they are closing their own eyes, and then they are believing that no, no, everything is fine. No, no, everything is fine. Now they are having one lakh view. What does that mean? That means all the people who are viewing this person also believes the same thing. I'll tell you this. The problem is, have you heard about this? 90% are bound to fail, and then 5% are going into the success direction. It's a very true fact. I was very, I didn't believe in that at first. I'll tell you that honestly. I was like, if 90% was, if 90% to 10% was the ratio, if 95% to 5% was the ratio before, there is this famous law of attraction coach, Bob Proctor. He would say this: 95%, only 5% are successful, and all that. Okay, then why is it that you are a law of attraction coach yourself? You are teaching for the rest of your life. How is it true that even now 5% only is successful? Now there should be percentage increase. No, there should be more people who are successful. No, but I'll tell you this: a lot of people would rather be in the denial than that of the acceptance. Why? Because the whole process is very painful. You have to accept all the emotions of anger, bargaining, and also depression. You don't get out of that. You don't know how to process the emotions. You don't know how to acknowledge the pain and all that stuff. Acknowledge the truth to begin with. So when you are going in that phase, there are so many people who will be like-minded, of having all the low vibrational energy of bragging, of being in denial and all that stuff. So this person is teaching how to be in denial. You are getting taught by this person. You are learning from this person how to be in denial. You end up learning that. Okay, okay, and then nothing happens. Then you complain after 5 years. You are like, oh my God, I didn't, law of attraction didn't work for me. Why? Because you were not working from the place of truth. Now either you can say that no, truth doesn't exist, and then you can do the law of attraction. Or you can say that no, truth exists. With the truth, I still create my own reality. You understand the difference? I accept the truth for what it is. With the truth, I still create my own reality. It is very easy to be in the denial. You will be in the denial for 75 years. If you are living for 75 years, you will be in the denial for 75 years. It's so easy to be stuck in the denial space that it is very hard to be upset, to be angry, to let go of that anger, to let go of that bargaining stage, to let go of the depression. A lot of people are not able to let go of the depression itself. They think if I am not depressed, then something is wrong with me. They can't accept happiness in their life. They feel good about being in the depression phase. Why? Because there are so many people who shame other people for being happy and stuff. That is for another video. I don't care. All I care about is all these phases are very hard. It's not easy. It's not easy to go through all these phases. It is very easy to be in the denial. It is super easy to be acceptance, to be in the acceptance phase. But the process of going there is very hard. The true law of attraction coach understands the reality of life. That means they will go through the denial phase, they will accept their anger, they will let go of that anger, they will come to the bargaining stage, they will then let the depression take over, and then acceptance will naturally come to them. And once the acceptance has come to them, from this stage onwards, they do the LOA, law of attraction. You understood the difference? Whether you accept the truth or you are trying to say to yourself, no, truth doesn't exist. No, it's all false. It's a choice of yours. But if you are saying that the truth doesn't exist, and if you're trying to do law of attraction, it mostly doesn't work. Even if it works, it feels like you have done so much of the hard work for this much of the law of attraction return. Like you have done 100 affirmations every day for 75 days, and only one little thing that you have written, you have got from the universe. That is how bad it feels when you come from the place of denial, because on the inside you don't feel good. On the inside you know now that you are in the denial. That is what it is. Okay, so this is what I wanted you to know. What is 5 stages of grief, how to accept the truth, and how to let yourself be a co-creator with the truth, not trying to do jugalbandi with the truth, not trying to do fighting kushti with the truth. Accept the truth, बाहों में बाहें डालो truth के साथ, and then from there on you do law of attraction. Embrace the truth. It doesn't feel good. It will feel bad. It is supposed to be feeling bad only. It's not. I'm not saying that you are supposed to feel good about the truth. You are supposed to feel bad about the truth. But there is a huge difference between being in a denial and being happy versus being accepting of the truth and the facts of the universe, and then work for the law of attraction or whatever you want to do. You can do law of attraction, you can do practical planning after going through the 5 stages of the grief. Practical planning is also so very effective. Everything is effective. Law of attraction is just one source of the effective results. Like one of the way to get an effective results is law of attraction. There are so many ways. Every way is one. Only you know what will work best for you. That's the truth. Now, law of attraction coaches are the people with whom law of attraction has worked a lot. Like 85% law of attraction had worked. Other percentages in my life, other percentages, other things have worked. But other things also works. That's the point. It will not work if you are coming from the place of denial. That's it. Okay, this is it. Bye.